discomfort. You feel disheartened. It's a very uneasy, uncomfortable feeling.
Like at this point, I feel like I'm only preparing to get done with the exams than to actually perform well.
मुझे किलकिल हो रही थी, as we call it, mixed feeling.
Every exam day has the potential to be a super spreader day.
This decision has only left us hanging in an ugly middle position.
After all, जान है तो जहान है.
Somehow when I just managed to pick up all the morale and get some motivation and hold it together and start seriously preparing from end of March to beginning of April because I wanted to perform well, then suddenly this bomb drops saying that it's being postponed again.
A completeness that you get, that I can achieve anything, that would be lost to this batch.
I had everything planned for the next 2 months, but now that plan has gone in the gutter.
The news of the board exams being cancelled comes as a huge relief to the students. But at the same time, I feel a bit apprehensive about our results.
This decision has not alleviated stress, rather has increased it for me.
CBSE वाले बोल रहे हैं कि हमने सेंटर 50 या 60% इंक्रीज कर दिए हैं, पर आप ये देखो कि जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो पूरा सूट डाला होता है उन्होंने जब वो मतलब पेशेंट को ट्रीट करते हैं, और वो सूट डालने के बावजूद भी पॉजिटिव आ रहे हैं. तो आप क्या सोचते हो कि आप वहाँ पे सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग करके स्टूडेंट्स को कह के आप बचा लोगे हमें कोरोना होने से?
As Chief Minister, Mr. Arvind Kejriwal emphasized that the exam centers could become corona hotspot. Decision was not delayed because earlier the situation was under control.
Oh, it will not only give more time for preparation to those students who start studying when exams are around the corner, but also to those who have had tragedies at their home due to this virus.
And as I am from a boarding school, my 2 of the practicals are left and few are done. So it was scheduled from 22nd April to 30th April. And now still it is not confirmed. Traveling in these times is very hectic.
As a student who's preparing for both boards as well as my competitive exams, this is a really crucial time because we are going through a lot of pressure.
I want to get an admission in LSR DU, so I was aiming for it. And being the cutoff so high, I was preparing accordingly. But now, it's like all my preparations have gone in vain. There's no certainty.
The academic year of 2020 to 2021, being the year of online learning, has witnessed 30% reduction in the portion and plenty of time for self-study. This was a golden opportunity for us to score a 99 percentile.
I'm stress-free now.
The cancellation of board exams gives us a good 2 months break before we head into 2 years of immense hard work.
Postponement of our exams would have also resulted in a huge delay in the beginning of the next academic year.
I feel my child would personally miss the experience of writing the board exam.
Ever since the announcement, she appears more relaxed, and as a parent, it is heartening to see that. Her smile is back.
As for the new marking scheme, no substantial details have been given yet.
हमें अपनी लाइफ की केयर है, सो प्लीज़ मैं बोर्ड से चाहता हूँ एग्जाम को ऑनलाइन कंडक्ट करें.
We at this age should have that amount of responsibility and that amount of self-discipline to know enough to actually just adhere to the instructions.
To conduct our exams as soon as possible.